Hi guys, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to make your video sharpen on CapCut Apps. First, make sure you already open the CapCut and then click New Project. Add the video that you want to edit. And next, you can add the effect, video effects, find comic, and select neon. Okay. Next, add another effect, video effects, find basic, and add soft. Add another effect, one more effect, still in the basic, and add slanted blur. Now adjust the duration of the effect. And export the video. Still in this project, and delete all the effect. Back, add overlay. Select the video that has been exported before. Adjust the scale. Okay. And adjust the duration. Click Splice. Select Soft. And adjust the splice or the blending mode. Press OK and done. This is the result of the video. Okay, that's the tutorial how to make your video sharpen. If you like the video, you can press like, share, comment, and subscribe button. Thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video.